Say man, hey man, tell a friend to tell a friend that Boostedfit is in. And today I have a crazy pull-up workout for you guys, and we will start the workout off with 10 regular pull-ups, okay? But if you can't do 10, I'm fine with that. If you can do 2 pull-ups, do 2 pull-ups the entire workout, because I will be switching it up towards the end. So right now we have 10 regular pull-ups, followed by 10 seconds of a dead hang, and then we will take our rest. So when you take your rest, make sure you are taking the full 45 seconds to 1 minute. But if you need more time, then please take more time, because we want you fresh for the next set. And I want you guys to complete this workout, so please do everything that I'm doing in the video. And right now, as you can see, I'm taking my rest, and I will take the full amount of seconds or minute that I need in order to be fresh for the next set. Now that you have taken your 45 seconds to 1 minute, or however long you need to take in order to be fresh for the second set, I need you guys to get back on the pull-up bar and give me 10 more reps. But like I told you guys in the beginning, if you can't do anything but 2 pull-ups or even 5 pull-ups, do 5 pull-ups on the first set, 5 pull-ups on the second set, and then we're gonna go into a dead hang for 10 seconds. And if you can't dead hang for 10 seconds, do however many seconds you can, and just use that on the sets following the first set that you guys did. And after the dead hang, we will take another rest period, okay? 45 seconds to 1 minute, or however long you need to take, and we're gonna get right back to it. Now that you have taken a good break, it's time to get back on the pull-up bar and do 10 regular pull-ups, followed by a 10-second dead hang, and then we will take another rest period. It's not so much about the actual pull-up, it's the grip strength that keep people from doing pull-ups like they want to, okay? And the dead hang will help you out with your grip strength. That's what I want you guys to understand. I'm not just doing it just to be doing it. I'm doing it because that will help you out with your grip strength, so you can do the pull-ups. It's not that your back is going to get tired or your arms are going to get tired. It's your grip strength go out. That's usually what happened on the pull-up or deadlift or something like that. It's all about that grip strength, and we want great grip strength in order to do these pull-ups. And as you can see, we are taking another 45-second to 1 minute break, or however long you need to take, and then we will be back on the pull-up bar. Now that the rest period is over, we are back on the pull-up bar doing the flex arm hang for 10 seconds. And this is very hard, and if you notice, everything is about that grip strength. So if you don't have good grip strength, you will not be able to do this exercise. It's very hard, I'm not gonna lie, and everything is causing you to use that grip strength. We're moving right into the knee raises for 10 reps. Once again, grip strength. We really want to focus on that grip strength. That will allow us to do more pull-ups as we get stronger with the grip. Now, we are taking another 45 seconds to 1 minute break, or however long you need to take in order to be fresh for the next set. But make sure you are still moving around, keeping your blood flowing, and as you can see, I'm doing that right now. I'm just trying to stay loose, trying to stay active, man, you know, while I'm taking my break. and not just sitting down or something like that. So I will see you guys on the next set. I hope you guys and girls are taking advantage of those rest periods because we really need them. Now we are back on the pull-up bar once again for another set of the flex arm hang for 10 seconds, followed by 10 knee raises. Once again, we are trying to get you guys used to doing these exercises, so in the future it will be easy to you, okay? So if you can't do this for 10 seconds, or if you can't do 10 knee raises, do whatever you can do and then just use that on the sets following the first set. Simple as that, but it's time to take another rest period of 45 seconds to 1 minute or however long you need to take. I will see you guys on the final set. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back if you made it to this part of the video, which is the final set. And we have 10 seconds with the flex arm hang, and we also have 10 knee raises to finish the workout off, okay? So I would like to thank you guys for tuning in and checking this video out. Make sure you tried it. Let me know in the comments if you tried and if you was able to finish the entire workout. But like, share, comment, subscribe. Love though to love you, and I'm out of here like last year, y'all. Charge!